Hi planner friends, it's Stevie from Planner Cookie Mama. Today I am going to be planning in my mini happy planner from the 10th through to the 16th of February, and I'm going to be using this kit, this printable kit from Pansy Prints, and this is the Kittens kit. So I think I've showed this kit before in Erin Condren size because I also have it for that. So as always, we've got our deco boxes, flags, full boxes, half boxes and quarter boxes. And we've got all our littles down here. And then we have our top washi here. We have our notes covers, our hydrates, habit trackers, a weekly tracker, some full check boxes. We have our glittery headers and side washi. And then this page, you've got all your deco, you've got your marquee, your weekend banners, your spotty day covers, your date covers, and some more littles down here. So I am going to go ahead and cut this up. I'll do that off camera because it takes me a while. During this video, if you hear any weird noises, I have a new kitten and she is she's still exploring, so she's making a bit of noise. So please excuse that, and I shall be back shortly once I've cut this up. Alright, so I've gone ahead now and cut up all the stickers. So what I'm going to do now is just take out the pages as always. So this is my college, my college planner and my daughter's homework planner tracker thingamajigger. So I don't really put too much in this. So first things first, pop down the washi. I like the side washi because it means that I don't need to worry about the inside of the pages matching the rest of the kit. Okay, so I'm now going to pop down this washi along the top here. Will that completely? Yeah, I had to cut it a little bit skinnier because I actually ripped it, so I had to thin it out slightly. So I wasn't sure if that was actually going to cover up the top there, but it'll be fine. What I also did, just because it was easier, was when I was cutting up the stickers, I put the date stickers straight onto the day headers, just because it's easier for me that way then, just to put it straight into the planner. Right, so what I was thinking about doing next was popping down these little full boxes. Now I know that these boxes are slightly too big, but that's fine because what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them a little bit. Forgot forgot to pop down the bottom washi, so I'm just going to quickly do that now. Okay, what I'm going to do first actually is pop down my notes cover. Right, next, putting down these little kitty cats, just because they're so cute. So what I'm doing is I'm not actually pressing down hard when I get to the top, just so that it's easier for this to lift up when I cut the overhang off. So next, I'm going to pop down this weekend banner. Put that right on the edge here. I love how colourful this kit is. It's nice and bright and cheerful. Right, I was going to use these to mark the days that I'm in college. Wednesday is my volunteer day, so I'm going to mark that in as well, because I volunteer at a school, so I think that fits in with the college and school use of this book, use of this planner even. Right. And then I'm actually going to use these this time. I don't normally use the flags, but I'm going to use them this time because I'm actually back in college now, so it's easier to mark off things that I do this way. Okay, so you'll probably have noticed that I've actually not put flags down on Saturday and Sunday. That's because, as I've said, this is my college and homework planner, and my daughter never gets homework on a Friday, and I tend to do mine as soon as I get it. So if I'm in on a Friday and I have stuff to do for the following Friday, I'll do it on Friday. So I'm not really going to bother putting down the tracker, the flags, but I am going to put down these little half boxes just to give it some more decorativeness around here. Right. What I am going to do is pop down this little you've cat to be kitting me right meow. That's really hard to say. I'm going to pop that down on my notes page because, sorry, the notes bar, because I barely ever use that anyway. And what I have actually just realised is that I've put down a tracker on Friday, and we're not even in on Friday because it's an in-service day for the schools. So the schools are off and college is off as well. So I won't even be in that day. Never mind. I'll just leave it there. And we'll pop that in there. And then I want my One Crafted Country Girl stickers for just a moment, because I do want to mark in my volunteer day. So we'll pop that there. And then my college day stickers. So 1, 2. What I might actually do there is use one of the no school stickers instead of putting a college one there. So I'll actually just stick it here. Kahlua. I don't think I really need any more of these. These stickers from One Crafted Country Girl, these are actually the study time stickers. I use them to mark when I'm in college, and I use the Girl Boss stickers for when I'm studying. So we'll make, because we're off, we'll make that a study day. And we'll make Monday a study day as well, because I get quite a lot done when my daughter's in school. Okay. So time to pop this back into the planner. Right, I think I'll show you the planner so far this year. So this is just my college timetable. I'm waiting on my decals coming with my name on them. I just used these for, oops, that would be Kahlua failing at being a cat. Alright, so I only just put in important dates here. I've got my, so this was January. And because we were off for the holidays, I didn't really bother, I didn't actually fill it in, I just did the spread. And then this was a little bit of homework that we'd done, because it was the first week back for my daughter at school, so she didn't really have that much homework. And then this is then when I started doing our homework with her more. But I've been off college ill for the last 2 weeks, so I did a lot of Amelia's homework with her. This week she was with her dad. I did her homework with her over the phone because she refuses to do it for her dad. And then this week I was off and my daughter was off sick, but I made sure that she still did some practice of her spelling and stuff like that. And I did catch up work for when I was off. And then this is this month's spread. And then I went back to college yesterday, so this is Wednesday. I did my daughter's homework with her. I completed up to where I was to finish to for college before I went back. This is what I did with my daughter yesterday, and then this is what I did at college yesterday. So I actually need to mark that off. Tasks 4. That's 4 to 6E. That says, I thought it said B. I wondered what I was doing. And then today I've actually done a completed task 6. So I'll just write that in just now. And then next week, my daughter has parents' evening on Monday. So we'll just use one of these family stickers and we'll pop that right there. No, we won't, because it's covering up. Okay, well, it doesn't really matter. We can cover up 2 hearts. Alright, guys. As always, I will leave a link in the description down below to the kit I used. So, as I said, this one's from Pansy's Prints. I'll also leave a link to my Instagram, as well as One Crafty Country Girl's Instagram, and a link for her website with my PR code, so you can get 10% off of $10 or more. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you subscribe to my channel, that would be amazing. Until next time, happy planning. Bye.